Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 6, Vairochana. Seas of the greatest perfumes, discs of finest crystal, as well as purest sandalwood, all should fill the skies. Garlands of many jewels, ornaments pure and flawless, as well as crystal lamps. Set all of them in the air. Bring them all to the Buddha with hearts full of joy. Wives, children, retinue, all go see the world-honored one. Then the king, together with his 37,000 wives and concubines, 500 sons, and 60,000 great ministers, of whom the chief was Power of Wisdom, as well as others, a company totaling 77 million billion trillion, went out of the city of flame light, all of them travelling through the sky by the power of the king, their various offerings filling the sky. Coming to the Buddha's place, they prostrated themselves at his feet, then sat to one side. There was also the celestial king Banner of Good Influence from the city Beautiful Flowers, with a company of 10 billion trillion. There was also the Dragon King, Pure Light from the city Ultimate Greatness, with a company of 25 billion. There was also the Yaksha King, Fierce Strength, from the city Supreme Diamond Banner, with a company of 77 billion. There was also the Gandharva King, Gladdening Sight, from the city Undefiled, with a company of 97 billion. There was also the Titan King, Contemplation of Pure Form, from the city Beautiful Sphere, with a company of 58 billion. There was also the Garuda King, Exercise of 10 Powers, from the city Exquisite Array, with a company of 99 billion. There was also the Kinara King, Indestructible Qualities, from the city Playful Enjoyment, with a company of 18 billion. There was also the Mahāraga King, Banner of Noble Repute, from the city Diamond Banner, with a company of 3,100,000 trillion. There was also the Brahma King, Supreme, from the city Pure Adornments, with a company of 18 billion. The kings from 1,000,000 billion trillion such cities, along with their retinues, all went together to the Buddha Supreme Cloud on the mountain of all virtues, prostrated themselves at his feet, then sat to one side.